Hello my beautiful people. If you are here, I already know one thing: you love good food. Today let me walk you through the magic of a rich steaming cow leg pepper soup. Have you ever tasted cow leg pepper soup that touched your soul? If yes, if not, stay with me, you're about to crave it. So the first thing I did is to pre-cook my cow leg. So once that is ready, the next thing I added to the pot was my pepper soup spice. You can ask for the ingredient. Then I top it up with some Cameroon pepper. I added in my salt while I proceed to blend my pepper that consists of habanero, onions and red bell pepper. So I added that's the next thing you see me add now. So the next thing I'll do is to thoroughly mix everything together. Let me know if you are interested in the ingredients that comprises of my pepper soup spice so that I can send it to you. So you already know that what is pepper soup without enough water. So I added water to it and then stir everything together. Then I added some plantain because I'm going to be enjoying mine with that. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to cover it up and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. You can leave it longer for like 15 minutes. So once it is cooked just the way you see it now, the next thing you are going to do is to add in your scent leaf or uziza leaf. So I'm making use of dried scent leaf. Guys, if you have not made use of dried scent leaf, you are sleeping on a game changer. It is actually a secret, guys. Whether you are using the fresh one or you are using the dried scent leaf, trust me, the result is the same thing. So at this point I tested it and I noticed that there's a need for balancing. So I added in one more extra seasoning cube and a pinch of salt to it. Stir everything together, and guys, our cow leg pepper soup is ready. Look at how yummy and delicious it is looking. So the next thing I'm going to do is for me to serve it. Let me know what you are going to be enjoying yours with. Is it white rice, is it boiled yam or plantain? As you can see, I'm enjoying mine with plantain. Thank you for stopping around till this moment. I love you. Bye.